What's up, Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Another sweet ride today. 05 Mustang with a Paxton 2200. It's running our Stage 3 B326 stroker. We're at about 11 PSI. I'm going to show you a dyno pull of that. And right now, Dom's changing the pulley. We're going high boost. We're going to go race fuel and see what it lays down. That's our 326. It's got headers, it's got the 4 performance manifold, throttle body, all the goodness of everything we love doing with the 3 valve, as well as a Magnum transmission, built rear end, full suspension, brakes. The list goes on and on this car. Hey, Doug's with me today. Doug, walk over here. We'll look inside. Okay, we also have the roll bar inside this. It does have a swing out. If you're wondering where all that blue tape is on there, well, we put that on there so it won't get scratched before our client takes delivery. All kinds of gauges going on. Hey, Doug, peek inside there. A lot of gauges going on in this car right here. I mean, everything from oil, coolant, you know, yeah, boost, everything going on. Race seats right here. But let's look at these dyno numbers after you watch this pull, and then we're gonna have the small pulley on, more boost, let you know what that is, and we'll check it out. I think these numbers are awesome. I'm 93 octane pump gas, 11 PSI. But hey, a lot of you watch and always ask, how much does that cost? What's this cost? Hey, you can always email quote@brenspeed.com to find out what it costs to get installed. And don't forget, I'll put links in the description of most of the parts on this car. But hey, in that dyno video, when I pulled my arm out the window, it's this QTP cutout. I didn't tell you, we put that on the car. I love these. You can, it's remote. You hit open, it opens it up. The car has side exhaust. It's pretty loud anyways, but still way louder at this right here. I really like this a lot. But look at this. Doug, come over here. 621 real horse SAE 542 torque. That is gonna be sick on the street with our Stage 3 B326. And I think it's gonna be like ridiculous driving down the road. Third gear pull, you hammer it. When that boost comes in, it's gonna be super, super fast. So we're adding boost right now. We're draining the tank. We're putting in race fuel. We're gonna make another pull. I'll log the boost. I'll let you know how much boost we're running. So stick around for a second. We almost have this finished. I can see right here. Looks like we're getting the belt on. We're wrapping it up. Check out this pull. All right, I went from 11 PSI to about 15.5 PSI. Adding the boost, we put in MS-109 for safety and made 723, check it out. Real horse, 648 torque. That is awesome. I thought the car was sick before, it's definitely sick now. So that's cool, but I think I'm gonna pull the car in the shop. Let's take a little bit closer look. All right, one of my favorite things about this car right here is the way it sounds, but we have to respect the engine compartment. Because, you know, this car is laid down 700 roll horsepower. Looking in this engine compartment, it doesn't look that different than a car that maybe makes 500 of the tires, the 4 performance manifold, and the Novi 2200. So it comes out really, really good, and it makes a ton of power. But I'm gonna start this car up right now. I want you to hear it, and I have the cutouts closed. So we're gonna fire it up. Doug, come over here. I wanna show you one other thing. Earlier I was showing you the roll bar. We took the tape off. So this is what the roll bar does look like. And these are swing outs. So a lot of you don't know, climb in and out of the roll bar. Well, look, let's go like that right there. That's what a swing out looks like. I know a lot of you understand that, but some of you don't understand when we say swing outs or whatever, that's what it is. So let's fire this thing up. Hear how sweet it sounds. We're gonna crack the cutouts. MS-109 smells awesome in my nose right now. So here we're gonna go. Open this up. And it sounds so tough. go out front, look at the engine compartment one more time while it's running. Oh, that sounds awesome. I love the way it sounds. All right, that's it on this ride right here. Car came out really, really good. Made a ton of power. I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching. Probably gonna look at this, have some questions, leave a comment like always. I'm happy to answer. And then of course, subscribe, hit notify. And again, how much something like this costs to get built. I'm gonna leave links in the description on the parts that are on this car, as well as you can email quote@brenspeed.com to find that out for yourself. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching.